A brief history of the Strip District. The Strip District is a neighborhood in Pittsburgh that is only a half a square mile, running between 13th and 33rd STS. With Smallman St, Penn Avenue and Liberty Avenue as its main streets. The Strip, as it's affectionately called, was home to mills and factories over the years, including the Fort Pitt Foundry, which made cannons during the Civil War era. Many famous companies were housed in the Strip at some point over the years, including Heinz Ketchup and U.S. Steel. The history of the Strip District is important to Pittsburgh. In the early 1900s, the Strip became known for its wholesale of produce, meat and poultry. The 1920s saw the Strip as the economic hub of the burgh. Today the Strip is best known as an outdoor marketplace and weekend destination for Pittsburghers, young and old alike. Visiting Pittsburgh is also not complete without a trip to the Strip for good food, coffee, shopping, and mixing with the local atmosphere. Fun facts. Due to less being shipped by boat and train, a lot of the abandoned warehouses in the area were transformed into bustling restaurants, shops and bars. St. Stanislaus Kostka Church still lies in the Strip District after being built in 1891. Many additional warehouses are in the process of being turned into chic lofts. Uber has a fleet of Ford Fusions that they're testing as driverless cars in the Strip District. Pretty cool. Pittsburgh's history is tied closely with the history of the Strip District, mostly due to its proximity to downtown and the Golden Triangle.